nCino, the mission has been to transform financial services through innovation, reputation, and speed. We have 13 years of platform usage, over 2,800 plus customers, and trillions of processed loan history, and that enables us to build domain-driven and very specific solutions for banking. Databricks running on AWS helps us a lot with the conversations with our customers around compliance because we are in control of the data. Being in the same ecosystem and the same AWS infrastructure helps us lower the complexity of multi-cloud or multi-system. Data doesn't move to different systems, so the data never leaves our AWS environment. All our guardrails and guidelines and Unity catalog being on top of it helps reduce that risk. And Databricks Genie was very helpful in general democratizing data, making it not scary for people. Pretty much what the goal is to everybody be able to use all the data that we have to deliver more value to our customers faster. With the amount of data, specific banking data that we have, the history of loan lifecycle that we have, none of the generic AI models can deliver that level of sophistication and compliance-aware solution that we can offer. It helps executives, it helps their analysts, relationship managers, service teams without even sometimes knowing it.